Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Glam by Noelle. If you are new here, kindly go ahead and hit the subscribe button and be part of this amazing family. You only get to wear a truly magnificent, jaw-dropping outfit a few times in your life. Why not make your prom night one of those occasions by wearing a stunning, flattering, and flawless prom gown? Here are some few tips to guide on your perfect choice. 1. Find some motivation. Take a look at some of the most recent catwalk trends. Examine some magazines to see what you like and dislike about the clothes this season. You may also look at what celebrities wear to red carpet events and use it as inspiration. But don't worry if you can't match their appearance. This is just for fun. 2. Look at precious fabrics. Look for beautiful, elegant, and opulent fabrics for your prom gown, such as satin, tulle, silk, chiffon, organza, lace, and velvet. 3. Know your body shape and how to match it to the perfect cut. You could be an apple, pear, hourglass, vase. There are various different categories for body shape. 4. Decide on the color. People will perceive your personality according on the colors you chose. For example, if you choose a bright red, people will perceive you to be bold and the center of attention. If you choose with black, you'll feel smart, blue, assured, pink, playful, and purple, lively. It all depends on the image or attitude you want to convey. It's also about what hue suits you the best. Some girls appear better in blue, while others look better in red.